Hi, this is Shirish Marathe from CompETC. Let us learn today about ribbon in this Microsoft Excel. So we have here these tabs, file, home, insert, draw, and so on. We have here small icon. If I click on that, it shows me three options: auto hide ribbon, show tabs and commands. So if I click on auto hide ribbon, my ribbon gets hidden and I get more work area. Again, if I click on this small icon, I have option, or if I take my cursor near this, it will show me tabs and commands again. We have option show tabs, which will show only these tabs: file, home, insert, draw, formulas, data, review, view, developer, and help. It will not show any commands. If I click on show tabs and commands, it will give me all the tabs and all these commands. This is the default screen when we open any Microsoft Excel new workbook. These tabs and commands are little different in different versions of Microsoft Excel in 2010, 13, 16, 19, 21, and Office 365. Currently, I'm using Office 365. So whatever this screen we can see is Office 365 screen, and these options are in Office 365. This developer tab is not the default tab. We can add this tab later on, which is more about scripting. These tabs has groups like clipboard group, font, alignment, number, styles, and so on in home tab. Similarly, we can have different groups in insert, draw, formulas as well. These groups are related to a pertaining function. Like clipboard is for copy, paste, cut, and so on. Fonts, alignment related to cells. Let's see one by one. We have here small arrow at right bottom corner, which will take us to some more options of these groups. Like in clipboard, if I click, I have all these copy paste items over here. I can clear or I can paste all options. If I click on font, I have format cells options. I can format cell as general, number, currency, percentage, time, and so on. I have alignment of these cells with wrap text, merge cells options, which is there in alignment also. I can have font, which is there in this font, main group, borders, fill, protection. So some more options are available. Again, in alignment, if I click, we have format cells, alignment, font, border, and protection. We have different groups for different tabs. So here in home, we have this styles group also, sales, editing, wherein we'll have some functions, sort and filter. We have find and search. In insert, we have pivot table. We have insert table. We can insert illustrations. Basically anything which we can insert in this workbook. So those options are available in insert tab. We can insert pictures, shapes, icons. So we have again options for these shapes. We have options for these 3D models. We have options for charts, whether we want by bar chart, line chart, pie chart. If we have inserted pivot table and want to change it or convert it to pivot chart, we can have that too. So similarly, we have these different groups. We have draw group here, where we have a drawing tool. Freehand drawing tool is also available in Excel. We'll learn more about this ribbon in our next session. Thank you.